In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Moomoo to TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, integrating these platforms can streamline your trading experience and offer you more robust tools for analysis and decision making. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to open the TradingView website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, you can easily find it by searching for TradingView in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's straightforward to sign up, and TradingView offers a variety of options ranging from free to premium, depending on the features you need. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Supercharts feature. Supercharts is a powerful tool within TradingView that allows for advanced charting capabilities, essential for any serious trader. You can find it usually at the top of your dashboard or sidebar, depending on your interface settings. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up a new panel for you. Now that you're in the Supercharts section, the next step is to access the trading panel. The trading panel is where you'll manage your connections to different brokerage accounts, including Moomoo. Look for a tab or button labeled Trading Panel, typically located at the bottom of your Supercharts interface. Clicking on this will expand a new menu with various broker options. In the list of available brokers, locate Moomoo. TradingView supports a wide range of brokers, so you might need to scroll a bit or use a search function to find Moomoo quickly. Once you've found it, click on the Connect button next to Moomoo. This action will prompt you to log in with your Moomoo account credentials. Go ahead and enter your Moomoo account details. Make sure to double-check your username and password to avoid any login issues. After you've successfully logged in, TradingView will confirm the connection. And just like that, you've connected Moomoo to TradingView. And there you have it. That's how to connect Moomoo to TradingView. By following these simple steps, you can now enjoy the combined benefits of TradingView's powerful charting and analysis tools, along with Moomoo's brokerage services. Remember, keeping both platforms up to date and regularly checking for any new features or updates will ensure you get the most out of your trading experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your trading setup. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.